There are two categories of market participants in the Nigerian stock market. We have the trader and we also have the investors. The trader wants to buy a particular stock of a company cheap and sell it high, making profit from capital appreciation. The investor wants to buy a particular stock cheap. They want to increase their holding. They are not even willing to sell. They want to hold it as much as they can so that they can earn return from dividend payout. So these two type of traders, they have their different approach to different market condition. Thank you for joining me. This is Market Formula. In this video, I'll be looking at the all share index of the Nigerian stock market. I will look at other indices too to know where the market is likely going to be in the nearest future. As we all know, the market is facing a strong resistance at a particular level of 104, 105 basis points, and we've been at this particular region. The market has been bouncing in a range for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the 6th month that the market has been trapped in this range. So what is most likely going to happen going forward? As we all know, we have technical indicators, we have other indicators that are telling us where the market is most likely going to be. But as you know, on this channel, we only look at the technical indicators. That is why we say this is a technical analysis of the Nigerian stock market. I only pay attention to what the chart says and leaving out fundamentals that are responsible. It doesn't mean that the fundamentals are not important. They are important, but as a technical trader, the fundamentals are already reflected in the chart that I'm looking at. So come with me. This video might be a little longer than usual, but I just hope that you will stay to the end. We are going to look at the chart, looking at the 3-month chart, knowing that the 3-month candle closed at the end of June 2024. So I will need to look at the 3-month chart, see what actually happened. Then we step it down to the monthly, then we come down to the weekly and see what is most likely going to happen. The market has just been painting red for quite some time now. 3 months span. In 3 months, the market has been negative. That's 3.47 negative, and a month and the month range, the market has also been 0.32 negative, and in a week we have 0.83 negative. So the market has just been struggling at this level. We are looking at this indicator. This is a momentum indicator. It's also an oscillator, and also an oscillator, as we know, is a lagging indicator. It takes time before it reacts to price. We have some indicators that are leading, and we are still going to check them also. I have Bollinger Band here too. Bollinger Band is just helping me to track my volatility on the chart. I can also track volatility on my oscillator using my average true range, but let's just stick to these ones that I have here. I'm going to pay close attention to candlesticks, and we see what is most likely going to happen today, tomorrow we end the week, and most likely, I think it's most likely the market is going to still paint red. Tomorrow is Friday, so let's look at it. If we look at this region of the chart, looking at this region of the chart, can see that we have small bull. These are indecision. You can't see this candle that is big like this, and we are seeing small candles. So indecision, market doesn't know whether he wants to push up or push down. So this is a spinning top, like a spinning top. This is a rejection. After this rejection, we have a candle that filled it, telling me, okay, this is a bull. So if this is a bullish body, this is a monthly chart. Look, let me start from the 3-month chart. 3-month chart, we can see the last 3 months was a strong bull, big body. Then the following 3 months was a small body, no rejection at the top, but a little rejection at the bottom. So let's see what is going to happen. This is more like an harami when you see a very strong big candle and followed by a small body candle. Is an harami. It signifies reversal. But before we can say it is a reversal, we need another candle to close. And this candle that is currently forming is going to close by end of, this is July, August, September. By end of September, this candle will close. So at the end of September, we'll be able to say if this is a reversal pattern or a continuation pattern. If at the end of these 3 months, the market is able to close maybe higher than this big bull, then we say it's a buy continuation. But so that is just for the 3 months chart. Looking at the monthly chart, for the monthly chart, we have this month here, the month of April. The month of April closed lower than the month of March. So this is a sell signal. So because this is a sell signal, these two candles are a sell signal until market closes above this place. There is no bullish continuation. If the market closed below this level here, if the market closed below that level, the level of 97,000. If the market closes, that is a sell continuation. So we are actually trapped on a sell signal, but there is no continuation. Just like having a sell signal without a follow through. But this is a buy continuation, fails to continue, form a sell, but we don't have a sell continuation. So if this month now closes lower than this level of 97,000 basis points, then we say that okay, this is a sell continuation, and this mark of 104,000 basis points then will be a very strong resistance, but at that level we would have had a lower low. So that is just for the monthly. Let's now look at the weekly. Let's see what is happening in the weekly. On the weekly now, the market is already entering into this Bollinger Band, and if it's entering into this Bollinger Band, it signifies weakness. So when there is weakness, I expect that the market should a little bit pull back, maybe to the mean. That's the center point of this Bollinger Band. So what I'm expecting as a technical trader, I still need the market to pull back further for us to have fresh entry. Buying here is not really advisable for a trader. For an investor, you want to buy as much as possible. You want to hold as much volume as possible, so you can always buy at any price. Your own aim is to earn profit, earn return from dividend payout and also maybe bonuses or the company will declare. No, that is for all share index. But there is, let me still check for momentum. Let's see the momentum for RSI level. Let me come to the monthly. For the monthly, RSI has not entered into this level of 70. Is still above 70, so it's still strong. This level is still very strong. So but on the weekly, you can see that the market has already entered into this, or is relieved of overbought condition. This is overbought, then is relieved of overbought condition, but it has not yet gotten to a support. Support is going to be in the middle at level 50. Let me now check again. You can see that we are trapped in between R3 and R2. Let's wait for the market to push lower, maybe to come to a level like this R2 for us to have fresh entry. I will advise as a trader, let's wait for a pullback to this level before we can start buying, and that level is at 91,000 basis points. So that is for the RSI and the momentum indicator. So let's look at other indices. Let's look at premium. For the premium, also the same thing happening. 3 months around me and is about to continue. So for this sell signal, where is the sell signal? There is no sell signal here for the premium index. There's no sell signal. There's no sell signal yet. Market is relieved of the overbought condition. So we need to wait for a pullback to maybe this level of R2 for a fresh entry. Let's look at, okay, all right, for this is a small body, so that's Harami. This industrial index. For industrial index, no sell signal. No sell signal. The market is relieved of overbought condition, and the market is already above the R5 level. This is pivot that I'm looking at. The market is already above that R5 level. So this level, these two gap here is going to hold price most likely. So we need to see, going forward, we need to see the market push higher again. All right, so for industrial index, I think the industry should do well in this third quarter. They should do well. They are performing. Let's look at the banking sector also. Let's see the banking sector, the 3 month chart. For the banking sector on the 3 month chart, we have a sell signal. We have a sell signal for the banking stock. So since we have a sell signal, a close above there is a buy continuation, a close below here is a sell continuation. So since it's a sell continuation, let's see, the banking sector also is a good sector to invest in. But on the monthly, we have a buy continuation here, then we have a sell, but no sell continuation, and as it has already hit the pivot. So because it has hit the pivot, I'm expecting that the banking sector should pick up and go back for a retest at the level of 1,000 basis points. So let's see. For the oil and gas is overbought, is strongly overbought on the monthly, on 3 months. On 3 months is already hitting higher. There's no retracement yet. For the oil and gas also, this should go up higher. This should go up higher. There's no sell signal anywhere. The last candle, no sell signal picked up, is going up even on the monthly. For the weekly, let's see where we can enter for the weekly. For the weekly, okay, if we can get a pullback, but for this particular industry is a good place where you can invest. I'm not looking at trading now, I'm looking at investing. So let's see the 3 month chart for the consumer goods index. This is an RME, and this is followed by a small body. We are still no sell signal yet. A close above this level is a buy continuation. There's no sell signal. Before we can have a sell, the market has to close lower than here. So this is another sector where we can look at consumer goods. Let's see Insurance index 3 months. For 3 months, no sell signal. The sell will start from this level for 3 months, but on the monthly chart, this is a buy continuation. Close up below here is a sell. It's too close, so you can say there's no sell yet. There's no sell yet on the insurance sector. For the insurance sector, there's no sell yet. So this sector should also be good for traders and for investors. Let's look at another index. This is NGX 30. For NGX 30, we have an RME, no sell signal yet, but there's a sell signal here. Sell signal is on this one. For the market to resume uptrend, it has to close above there. And for the sell continuation, market has to close below here. So you now see that we are really trapped in that zone. So if it continues to bounce here until it's able to close above here, then it will explode higher. And if it's able to close below here, it will come a little lower for a support. It can come to hit R2 or even come as far as R1 for it to bounce back up. So that is just for the indices. So let's go back to our analysis. So let's look at the insurance company. Let's look at the insurance sector. Insurance, for insurance, let me even check ICO. ICO has been a stock that I've been holding for some time now. Let me see what, wow, the market is still struggling, but my level where I want to come out of this particular stock is actually at 1 naira 20 kobo. At that level, that's what I'm looking at for my exit. And you can see that the market closed low. Market is painting red, but on the monthly, which I like to do my analysis, the monthly, for monthly, the monthly, we have a sell here, and a close below here is a sell continuation. The market has been able to close above this sell continuation, so telling me that the market is going back up, but the market has to close above this level of 1 naira 20 before we can say the uptrend has resumed. Okay, but the month is still on. The month is not yet closed yet. I'm still in this stock and I'm still holding it to this level of 120. Then if you push higher than that, then I'll sell the remaining holding at higher price. But I'm coming out 60% of my, I think 60 or 70% of my holding, I will drop it at 1 naira 20 kobo for NEM insurance. Let's look at other insurance company. I've checked NEM. Okay, for ICO, WAPIC. Okay, you see for WAPIC too is also doing well. WAPIC is also doing well because we even have a gap. You have a gap. You need the market to close above this level for a buy continuation. There's no sell yet. There's no sell yet. For a buy continuation, I need the market to close above 83 kobo. For a sell, you need the market to close below here. So everything that is happening here is within this big bullish candle. Within this big bullish candle. So if the market closes above this level of 83 kobo at the end of this month of July, then we say the uptrend has resumed. So that's for WAPIC. Let's look at other ones, other insurance. Let me see, Guinea Insurance. I think Guinea Insurance has been doing very well. Wow, it has come back down, close below here. So for Guinea Insurance, I don't know what is going to happen at this level. Let me check the 3 month chart. Wow, 3 month chart, okay. Almost at the bottom of the 3 month candle. So for Guinea, oh, Guinea is good for a buy. Guinea is good for a buy. This is the sell and there's a close above here already. So Guinea is good for a buy to a level like this or this. Guinea is good for a buy to 49 kobo. Guinea is good for a buy to 49 kobo, possibly. That's for Guinea. All right, so let me see how many I can still take more. Guinea, Nigerian insurance, no. Insurance, Mansard. Oh, for Mansard, there are sell signal, but no sell continuation. Sell continuation will happen at this level when the market closes lower than that. Then buy continuation will happen here. So we are trapped in a range. If the market comes to test this level of 5 naira, is actually a level to enter. This market looks bullish. It's going up. Insurance. No. Agency Alliance. Sovereign Insurance. Universal Insurance. Let's see Regency Alliance. Okay. For Regency Alliance also, we have buy continuation here. No buy continuation yet. Do you have a sell signal? That's the highest body. This is a sell signal as market close above here. So market is about to create a buy signal. So if at the end of this month, market is able to close above here, above the level of 44 kobo, then it will expose 51 kobo. Okay, so let's even look at the banks too. Let's see if we can take 2 or 3 stocks in the banking sector. We have Access. Let's check Access. Access is forming weak signal. Access is forming weak signal, but it's still a good stock to hold. Still a good stock to hold. So still good. Let's see GTCO. Oh, GTCO is already hitting resistance at this level. Buy continuation is at 48 naira 50 kobo. Then buy is actually at 45 naira 90 kobo. For the market to continue buy, because we are currently a sell signal, for the market to continue buy, it has to close above that 45 naira 90 kobo by the end of the month of July that we are in. So that's for GTCO. Let's see Zenith. Zenith also is good to hold. Then we have, let me look at First Bank, FBNH. First Bank is still my favorite. I like when market is just bouncing off this Bollinger Band. It's still my favorite. If you are looking for a stock you can still buy, please buy this First Bank. Buy First Bank. First Bank is still the cheapest that I'm looking at. Let's see Wema, and I will check Eco Transnational also. This has a room for pullback. ETI. Okay. This is also a good buy, but it's not as good as First Bank. Assuming this is happening around this Bollinger Band now, it would have been a very good entry for me. But since it's not happening around there, and currently there is no sell signal yet, buy continuation is above 26 naira 80 kobo. Then a sell is actually below 20 naira 80 kobo. So that will just be all for this video. Until we meet again in our next video, I say I wish you profitable investing. Bye for now.